Hi, good morning, it's Mark here from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. Just thought I'd take this opportunity to present this lovely Jaguar F-Base, finished in Bluefire blue metallic, physically here on site with us now. The vehicle is a one-owner car from new. Again, stunning with the black decals, black wheels with the red calipers as well, really just set it off. Full advert is live on the website, which is www.yorkshirevehicle.solutions.co.uk. Feel free to give us a call on 01423 33 1133. The specification wise on the vehicle consists of full panoramic sunroof, which is a lovely feature there. You can always open the vehicle up inside as well, so that's tilt and slide. Mileage on the vehicle at present is currently done 26,894. You've got your full navigation system there. Infotainment system in the centre, upgraded leather dash with floor cons as well with the contrast stitching, which is lovely. Electric memory seats, folding mirrors. Again, to go with something like this, you can always tell whether a vehicle's been looked after or not, especially being on one owner vehicle. No wear or anything on the interior, no scuff marks, scratches or anything like that. Then privacy glass from the beep on the back. 60/40 rear folding seats, which are lovely as well. Isofix in the back as well, which is always a practical point. Also has a reversing camera, soft closing boot, cabinless boot space there, as you can see. Really to be fair, just to give you a bit of an idea, capture your attention really to show this lovely vehicle. So this is the P250. Again, as I say, the full details are on the website, so please do have a look on www.yorkshirevehicle.solutions.co.uk. By all means, give us a call on 01423 33 1133. Thanks very much. Bye now.